If the residential battery cannot be charged, you can take these actions. Check whether the battery is installed properly. Set the DC switch to on. Check whether the battery communications cable is correctly connected according to the figure. Open the Fusion Solar app and log in to the inverter. Check whether the battery is correctly added. If not, tap plus sign to add it. Update the battery software version and then charge the battery. Update the battery software to the latest version. Set force charge or discharge and deliver a force charge command. Set end of charge SOC to 100%. Check whether the battery configuration is correct. Check whether the inverter model supports battery connection. In tow mode, if the charging time window is set to night and charge from AC is disabled, it is normal that the battery is not charged. If the maximum charge power is 0, it is normal that the battery is not charged. Check whether the battery is in SOH calibration state. During SOH calibration, the battery may be in self-discharge state. It is normal that the battery discharges but is not charged. During SOH calibration, the battery may be in self-discharge state. It is normal that the battery discharges but is not charged. Check whether the power control module is running. If the power control module is in standby state, power off and then power on the system to enable the power control module to supply power again.